Hello everyone. In this tutorial we're going to explain how to back up your favorites from Internet Explorer, such as these, or Bookmarks, which is the equivalent from Firefox. So to do this we're going to use some software made by Demailer. We can get that by going to their website at www.demailer.com. Demailer is D-M-A-I-L-E-R. Okay. Once we arrive at their website, we're going to use Demailer Sync to do this. So that can be found under Software, and then Download. Okay, so for this exercise, we're going to save the bookmarks and the favorites to a portable USB drive. The reason we're going to do this is so that we can use them again when we're at someone else's computer, or making it mobile in a sense. File. So you should save it to some sort of portable drive, portable hard drive, your mobile phone, whatever you have available. Okay, for me it's F drive. There we go. Okay, now that that's complete, we can open the folder. And this is what we'll see here. Now, if you see a file such as this, I created this one earlier without a picture to show you that if you don't have compression and unzipping software, you'll see a file like this and you won't be able to extract it. If that's the case, you can go to www.7zip.com, and there you can download some free compression software, and that'll help you get through. So for this exercise, we don't need to, we already have it installed. So you can right click the file and then click extract here. So this will extract the contents, Demailer Sync, which is compressed to make it smaller over the internet. Then we double click to open the file, and this will launch Demailer Sync that we need to configure. It does not need to be installed, it's just a configuration process. It runs directly from the key. From that one file. Okay. So first of all, we need to accept the agreement, license agreement. We're going to try it. We need to fill in the registration information. Okay, and select our country, state, and everything else. Register. Okay, we need to set a minimum of 4-letter password. Okay, so you can do that by writing it in or using the keypad. You can leave a password hint or lost and found information as well. We don't need to do that for this exercise. Okay, so you can also synchronize your Outlook and synchronize all your files, but as the title of this video stated, we're not going to do that, so we're going to leave that to none. We're not going to synchronize any files with our key either. And here we have the choice of both Firefox and Internet Explorer. For this exercise I'm going to use Internet Explorer, but if you're a Firefox user, just click the Firefox button there. Okay, and ensure launch secure browsing every time Demailer Sync is launched from a PC is checked. What this will do is if you use your favorites from someone else's computer, it will store all your browsing history to the key. So anything you see or download on someone else's computer won't be left behind for them to find. So it's just a security thing to make sure you're not leaving any information when you're away from your computer behind to be found. We're not going to take the wallpaper for this exercise, and now we can click next to continue. Okay, we're not going to synchronize Skype either, but you can if you'd like to. Skip. Okay, we must close Internet Explorer in order to do this, or Firefox. Okay, and all our bookmarks and favorites are synchronized there, as you can see. Right, so we open program. So effectively now, because we stored Demailer Sync on a portable drive, we have the ability to plug this drive into any computer and launch Demailer Sync, at which time you'll be asked your username and password, which is what we entered before. And when we log in, we will see this. So we didn't synchronize any emails, contacts, or files, but under the favorites tab down the bottom here, we'll be able to see all my favorites from within Internet Explorer. From here I can create new ones, delete them, edit them, and activate and deactivate secure browsing, which you don't need when you're on your home computer, but it's very handy if you're using someone else's computer. So from here, some of the, other than using your favorites and accessing them, we can also synchronize them again and restore them. So first of all, every time we plug the key in and launch Emailer Sync, the synchronization will be relaunched and updating all your bookmarks and favorites. If you manually added some and you wanted to synchronize them, we can simply click Synchronize in the top left hand corner, and any new bookmarks and favorites will be synchronized. As well as that, we can restore them back to the computer by clicking the restore button here. This is handy if you want to share your favorites with someone else, or you're changing computer as well. You could have grabbed your files and everything else, so it's handy to move computers as well. And we restore our internet favorites. Yes, so that's going to copy them to this computer, which is effectively going to duplicate them all. But it's just to show you the exercise there. Great. So, to walk through the procedure again, we can connect this key anywhere, and then simply by launching the Emailer Sync again, on the other computer, we'll be able to access all our favorites. Okay, being synchronized again, and there we go. So this is what we would do if we were on another computer or reusing the application. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our tutorial today. Thank you.